Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to download and install mem.ai app on your smartphone. First of all, unlock your smartphone and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now launch open Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in mem.ai and search. Make sure that you download the app from Mem Labs and now click on the Get or the Install button. On your iOS, you need to go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once you do that, your download process will begin. Wait for the download to complete, which will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. mem.ai is an AI-powered note and knowledge organization app that helps you capture ideas, notes, and tasks quickly. If you're exploring related topics like AI note apps, smart productivity tools, or digital knowledge management, you're making a great move towards working smarter. After the app installs, tap on the Open button and get started with the app. So there you have it. That is how you easily download and install the mem.ai app on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.